Hi, why do we celebrate Earth Day or World Environment Day? We all know how important it is that we need trees, plants around us as they give us oxygen. We have been learning this since we are in our primary school. But why today there has come a time where we need to remind people that please get back to your basics, grow more trees, plant more trees. Why such things are happening? Why are we not getting responsible enough? I understand that we need houses to shelter, but so many trees are cut down because we need to make wider roads, because we need to make it is coming in the way and the trees need to be cut down. But don't forget that somebody has planted a tree for us and it takes so many years to grow. So it's a very eye-opening situation which we are going through, and I think everybody should take it seriously. If we want our future generation to have a peaceful life, we should stop this waste drama and we should start thinking of organic stuff. We should start thinking of all these things to curtail down the mess to become a little less, and we must look ahead for a safer and more peaceful life for our children. Today we have to pay for oxygen when we were getting it free when there was plantation all around us. So we are using sanitary pads which are plastic based. We should start using organic. There are many companies which come. So these are little things. Even our milk which comes in the plastic bag, we might have seen small ads, where a lady is not cutting the upper corner because that little piece can't be recycled. We need to, be smart and not cut off the piece. Also, we are using plastic bottles of Coca-Cola, aerated drinks. So how to dispose that bottles? That also is being guided to us. There are many YouTube videos where people are sharing so that we become a little more conscious about how we need to take care of our own environment. So kindly, it's a kind request. I know everybody is doing it. Everybody around is becoming very active regarding the same. But just by doing and clicking pictures, the story doesn't end there. We need to genuinely work on making our world a better place for the future generation, for the present generation, and we need to see to it that we all are in safe environment. So it's a kind request to plant more trees, to be more plastic free, to be more conscious enough, because we can bring the change and we should be the change what we want to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi ji has already told us the famous quote. So be the change you want to see. So let's go ahead with the same passion and with the same vision, and let's make a better place for our future generations to come. Thank you.